Unlocking English Idioms. Tip someone the nod. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its idioms. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, tip someone the nod. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply curious about English idioms, this video is tailored for you. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover how this phrase can add flair to your English conversations. Tip someone the nod is an idiomatic expression that may not make much sense if you try to translate it word for word into another language. So, what does it mean? To tip someone the nod means to give someone approval or permission in a subtle or non-verbal way. It's often associated with a slight nod of the head or another discreet gesture, indicating consent or acknowledgement without the need for spoken words. The origins of tip someone the nod are somewhat murky, but it's believed to have roots in the informal and often non-verbal ways people have communicated agreement or permission throughout history. The act of nodding has been a universal gesture of affirmation for centuries, and the phrase captures this traditional form of communication beautifully. It embodies the idea that sometimes, a simple gesture can convey as much as 1,000 words. How do you use tip someone the nod in your daily conversations? This phrase is perfect for situations where silent, implicit agreement is preferred over verbal confirmation. For instance, in a meeting, your colleague might tip you the nod to indicate it's your turn to speak. At an auction, bidders tip the auctioneer the nod to place their bid discreetly. In social settings, a friend might tip you the nod as a signal to leave the party together. Tip. Remember, the key to using this idiom effectively lies in its subtlety and the context in which it is used. Let's look at a few sentences to see how tip someone the nod can be woven into conversation. After a brief pause, the manager tipped the nod, signaling we could proceed with the project proposal. I was nervous about asking for a day off, but my supervisor tipped me the nod after I explained the situation. At the crowded concert, we tipped each other the nod to head towards the exit before the final song ended. Understanding and using phrases like tip someone the nod can significantly enrich your English communication, adding a layer of nuance and cultural insight to your conversations. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing expression and inspired you to incorporate it into your own English usage. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the idioms and expressions that give it color and life. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!